pumpkin pie. What else?
Pumpkins and chili tomatoes and
Mirror.
we want to see this sign.
Yes. Okay.
See it?
Uh-huh. Thank you. What's that, Luke?
It says cone on the cob from the cold beach.
From the cold beach. And what are the orange flowers?
What are the flowers? What are the flowers, Luke? What are the flowers called?
Marigolds.
And who's that? Lettuces?
Ooh, nice.
See, they grow in the garden, and today we got more. We're gonna grow watermelon.
Oh, we also got a
Oh,
watermelon.
did we really? How's that gonna grow?
We got a watermelon because Luke picked it out.
Duty.